So in this video I am gonna show you how to turn on or off focus assist in Windows 11. This feature helps you manage notifications, allowing you to stay focused during important tasks. So let's start the video. To turn on or off focus assist in Windows 11, start by clicking the start menu and selecting settings. From the settings window, navigate to system and then click on focus assist in the right hand pane. Here you will see three options: off, priority only and alarms only. To turn off focus assist and receive all notifications, select the off option. To turn it on, choose either priority only to allow notifications from a customized list of important apps and contacts, or alarms only to silence everything except alarms. So that's how to use focus assist on Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to liking the video and subscribing to my channel.